Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Roblox upgrade problem. Okay. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, you'll be able to see that pop up in here. Okay. All you need to do is just tap on upgrade. Okay. And you'll be landed to the Play Store or App Store exactly right here. Okay. All you have to do is just tap on play. And once done, just sign in. Or if you don't have an account yet, just tap on create account right here. Just sign in. And once done, you should be good to go. Now, if that still will work, most especially here for Android users, okay, all you need to do is just find the Google Play Store, tap and hold, tap on the information icon, okay. If you are using iOS, just go ahead over to your settings app. Now go ahead over to general. Under general, tap on storage, then tap on your respective app store, okay. Tap on offload data or offload app, okay. In here, for Android, just tap on storage. Okay. Now tap on clear cache first. Once that's done, just close this one. All right. Now go ahead and find Play Store. Okay. Now find Roblox right here. If Roblox needs an update, just go ahead and update it. If not, just straight up hit on play and just sign in. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and sign in just for you to see that I've already fixed this issue, okay? And another one, just a tip, it might be odd, okay? Just go ahead and check if you're connected to a network, okay? Make sure that you're connected to a Wi-Fi or even mobile data, okay? I'm gonna hit on sign in right here. As you can see, I can now freely select an account. And there you have it. That's how you fix the Roblox upgrade problem. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.